These freshly dug graves hint at the scale of the coronavirus outbreak in Yemen's largest southern city of Aden. Yemen's health ministry says the disease has killed 39 people here. The number of graves suggests that number is much higher.
It's strange. This has never happened before at the cemetery in all the years past, to have these numbers of the dead.
Yemen's health minister announced the first virus death on April the 29th. 2 weeks later, that grew to 13. But Charity Save the Children disputed the death toll. They recorded nearly 400 patients who died of coronavirus-like symptoms in just a week. Nobody knows the true numbers because Yemen is only testing 31 people per million.
What is very, very worrying is that we have a lot of people that arrive almost dead or already dead. And so the mortality in our hospital is very, very high.
The UN announced last week that Yemen's health system had effectively collapsed. It was already on life support after 5 years of civil war, and calls to stop fighting amid the pandemic were ignored.
The residents in the south of Yemen and all over the country, honestly, have been following the COVID-19 crisis emerging all over the world and rightly concerned because the aid agencies, the government agencies have really not done much to protect them.
Doctors Without Borders runs the only dedicated COVID-19 centre in southern Yemen, but even it is turning away the sick. They don't have enough oxygen or personal protective equipment. It suspects 40 of its staff are also infected, but there's no tests to check.
We are overwhelmed. We were obliged to refuse patients because we didn't have enough oxygen and medical staff to be able to treat the patient. So it's very heartbreaking.
The organisation believes that in Aden, about 70 people are dying of coronavirus in their homes every day.
A lot of people have brought their dead to us from the pandemic, the rains and the disease. And from this scourge that has come to us, we don't even know what it is and why it's killed so many.
These men try to pray in peace. It's impossible with the cemetery so busy. They're digging 5 times as many graves as normal. Even children help. While Yemen's government has not reported the true scale of coronavirus, it's obvious for those on the ground. Charlotte Bellis, Al Jazeera.